Dear learners, good morning, student of class 8. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are fine. I am also fine. Today, I want to take a class about a voice sense. You know, voice sense is a part of transformation of sentence. Already, I have taken a class before voice sense online. So, I would like to tell you in details about voice sense. If you want to learn voice sense, you will give emphasis on the importance of tense and the structure. So, I have decided to take the class present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense and future indefinite tense. What is voice? A sentence has three parts: subject, verb and object. If we want to change the sentence into voice, passive voice. Voice are two kinds, active voice and passive voice. When we transfer any sentence into passive voice, firstly, you have to take the object in front of a sentence, then citate auxiliary verb according to the structure of the sentence. Then the principal verb will be given third form. Then preposition by and subject will turn into objective form. In this way, you have to do passive voice. I have written three examples on whiteboard: present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, future indefinite tense. He reads a newspaper. This is an example of present indefinite tense. So, in this sentence, object is a newspaper. You will take a newspaper at the beginning of the sentence. Then the verb. As the sentence is present indefinite tense, so you have to citate am, is, are as an auxiliary verb. Read is a verb. We know a word has three forms: read, read, read. Then preposition by and he change into him. In this way, you will change any sentence from active voice to passive voice. Okay, I will written. A newspaper is read by him. In the second example, past indefinite tense. How can we detect a sentence past indefinite tense? In this sentence, the principal verb is read and object a newspaper. So, as usual, we will do a newspaper was read by her. So, I think as the sentence is past indefinite tense, the auxiliary verb will be was oblique were. If the sentence or subject is singular, then was will be used. If the subject is plural, the auxiliary verb will be were. So, a newspaper was read by her. We know she is turned into her. In the third example, future indefinite tense. How can we detect a sentence future tense? If we find shall or will in the sentence, then will be said the sentence is an example of future indefinite tense. We will read a newspaper. Same way you have to do it. A newspaper will be read by us. Dear students, you have to know the objective form of some person. We know I থাকলে কি হবে মি হবে, উই থাকলে আজ হবে, ইউ থাকলে ইউই হবে, সি থাকলে হার হবে, হি থাকলে হিম হবে, দে থাকলে দেম হবে, ইট থাকলে ইটি হবে. In this way, I have finished 3 tenses voice. I hope you have understand my class, present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense and future indefinite tense. Then I will discuss present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. Next, I have come the next part of voice tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. You know, continuous means is going to any work. It is going. In the first sentence, he is reading a newspaper. When we solve any continuous tense, in the base of present continuous tense, we will take am being, is being and are being. তাইলে a newspaper is being read by him. In the context of past continuous tense, we will take was being and were being. I have written the sentence on board. She was reading a newspaper. It is an example of past continuous tense. The object is a newspaper. A newspaper was being read by her. In the third example, future continuous tense. In the base of future continuous tense, we will take shall be being or will be being as an auxiliary verb. We will reading newspapers. Newspapers will be being read by us. In this way, you have to solve the present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. Then I will give you homework from the 6 tenses: present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite and present continuous, past continuous and also future continuous tense. Dear students, I have given you 8 example as an homework for doing at home. Then you will submit. I wish everyone will submit my homework. It's my expectation. You are going to appear in the exam in school. The government has announced a declaration. The authority of school will arrange an exam if you want to get permission in the next class. So I think everyone will give emphasis on the every class of 8. Thank you everyone. Next I will meet you.